see him? See him? Yep, you guys see him because I see him. Wow.
Alright, come on, let's go.
There's Chad dancing. There's Scott. And here's me. He's weird.
Alec Olds has man titties. Scott's girlfriend. Her name's Butt Cheek Bob.
No, it's Marielle.
He likes to pick his titties for gunk and goop.
Alec Olds does.
Go milk your titties.
He loves milking some titties. Scott likes cow titty milk. He's 1% retarded.
Everyone is. I don't care if you're fucking Einstein, you're fucking 1% retarded.
You got a point.
You smell like shit. Yo, mama.
Look at you!
Fight sequence.